The Daily Code Snippet. In order to add quotations or pull quotes, we use the Blockquote element or the Q element. Blockquote is a block element, which means it would start on a new line, and it is generally used for longer quotes that might take up an entire paragraph. You may see the P element used inside of the Blockquote element. The Q element is used for shorter quotes that sit within or inline in a paragraph. Browsers are supposed to add certain styling to both. For Blockquote, indentation is added, and for the Q element, the addition of quotation marks is supposed to be automatic. However, this support in all browsers is inconsistent, and we have moved to adding the styling to the CSS or cascading style sheets. There are workarounds to make sure that the quotation marks are present. In addition, the cite attribute is used with both to give information about the reference or source for the item being quoted. Here is an example of how to use the cite attribute with the Blockquote element. Presented by Designers Learn Code.